Hey guys, it's Mirella Manelli here and welcome back to my newest hair tutorial. Glass hair is the hottest new trend and today I'm going to show you how to achieve that in salon or from the comfort of your own home using all Kenra Professional's newest Luxe Shine collection. This is my model Sarah, and as you can see, she has really beautiful hair and it's kind of fine texture, but she has a lot of it. And what I love about it is that she has this really beautiful natural texture. But today what we're going to be doing is giving her glass hair using Kenra Professional's Luxe Shine collection. So what we're going to do first to prepare her hair is we're going to shampoo and condition using Luxe Shine shampoo and conditioner. So I'm first going to start out by shampooing Sarah's hair. So after I lightly dampen it, I'm going to take a generous amount of Kenra Professional Luxe Shine shampoo and massage and lather it through her hair. So what I really love about the shampoo is that it's really rich and I love the way that it lathers. It's actually enriched with gold to give a really beautiful shine, and it's actually designed to transform dull, lifeless hair so that way she has a really beautiful, glamorous, full-bodied look. Once you're done shampooing, you're going to thoroughly rinse out the shampoo, and then you're going to follow up with Kenra Professional Luxe Shine Conditioner. You're going to take a generous amount and then apply it through mids and ends, making sure to really work it through the hair. What I love about this conditioner is that it has a really nice slip and it leaves the hair incredibly manageable and has lots of smoothness and actually revitalizes the hair for a natural, healthy looking hair. Now that we're all done cleansing and conditioning Sarah's hair, it feels amazingly hydrated and silky to the touch. So now I'm going to be using Kenra Professional Luxe One leave-in. Now this is an all-in-one leave-in. So what that means is you can actually use it before and after you're done drying, and you can even use this as a cutting lotion. So the way that you're going to use this product is you're going to shake it really well before use, and then you're going to firmly dispense it into her hair. Now, what's really great about this as well is that it has a really beautiful thermal protection, so it's going to increase manageability as well as give her healthy looking hair.
You're going to want to make sure your product is evenly distributed throughout the hair. I usually do this by brushing it with a flat brush. Then using your fingers, rough dry the hair to remove about 25% of the moisture, so that way it's not sopping wet. Taking your flat brush, over direct the hair and really focus on drying and smoothing the roots. I usually start towards the top and then work my way on down to the nape and then right back up again. The end goal here is really to get the hair 80 to 90% dry, with the roots dry and with some volume.
Now that Sarah's hair is about 90% dry, especially at the root area, we're going to go ahead and pre-section her so that way you have nice clean sections for the smoothest blow dry.
Create a horseshoe-shaped section using the arch of the eyebrow as a guide. Continue making horseshoe-shaped sections about 2 to 3 inches thick until you get down to the nape. Depending on the density of the hair, the sections can be bigger or smaller.
Now that Sarah is pre-sectioned, I'm going to work a little bit more of the Luxe One leave-in throughout her hair. So again, this is just going to give me additional thermal protection, a really beautiful manageability and slip to her hair. And it's going to really help me smooth out a little bit of that natural texture that she has throughout her hair. Then we're just going to go ahead and blow dry.
For Sarah's hair, I'm using a 2-inch ceramic round brush. I chose this brush because of Sarah's fine texture. If she had coarse or curly hair, I would definitely go in with the boar bristle brush because it would provide me with a lot more tension, but this brush is perfect for Sarah's texture. Since the roots are pretty much dry, this allows me to pick up large sections and really focus on smoothing the mids and ends. The overall goal is to create a firm tension so that way we can smooth out the natural texture that Sarah has and then give her that polished look that's super shiny but still has lots of movement. Once you're done with your first section, bring down the next and run a few more pumps of Luxe One through her hair. It's super lightweight and provides thermal protection and slip, so you don't have to worry about overusing it. One of the tricks I use to provide me with enough tension is after smoothing the hair on top, I also dry the underside too. I do this by taking my brush and placing it right on top of my section and then placing my nozzle underneath the brush. A really important tip though is no matter which direction you have your brush, always make sure your blow dryer and nozzle is facing in the same direction as the hair's cuticle. This is really the key to making sure that the hair is super polished and the cuticle is laying as flat as possible, giving you amazing shine. Continue working through each section, adding a few more pumps of Luxe 1 leave-in. If at any time you feel the hair needs a little bit more slip, just go ahead and add a pump or two. Just remember to use tension to stretch out any natural texture and to keep your dryer and nozzle blowing in the same direction of the cuticle. If the hair is left looking at all frizzy, you may need to apply more tension or focus on your nozzle direction. Once you get to your last section on the top, I usually start in the back using a 2-inch section and then over direct the hair towards the face, but dry it back so it will fall away from her face. The reason I dry this section away from the face and back is so that it has a natural fall and it is super movable depending on where you want the final part to be.
I'm completely done with Sarah's blowout, and as you can see, she has beautiful shine and all of her natural texture is completely gone because we had really nice tension with the round brush. And just to finish off her hair, I'm gonna put in a little bit more of the Luxe 1, just a few squirts into my hand and run it through, just to take away a little bit of the flyaways and finish polishing up her hair. Now you're totally able to go in and further polish the hair with a flat iron, but as you can see, if you have nice good tension with your round brush and blow dryer, you really don't need it to do too much of flat iron finishing. Now to give her that center part, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush her hair right on back, and then taking my rat tail comb, I'm just gonna go right on down the center to make sure it's nice and clean. And then comb her sides right on down. Now as you can see, she has slight little baby flyaways right on her part, which is totally normal. Everyone has that, but I'm gonna fix that with a little trick. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Kenra Professional Kenra Platinum Finishing Spray and spray a little hairspray on my kabuki brush. And then I'm just gonna smooth down those little flyaways so it looks extra polished, and plus the hairspray gives it a little bit of shine as well. And here's the final result of our glass hair technique using all Kenra Professional Luxe Shine collection. And as you can see, she has tons of shine, increased manageability, and it's super silky to the touch. And I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time.